Let me talk to you about something that touches us all: money. Now, money is a tool, plain and simple. It's not good, it's not evil. It's what you do with it that defines its purpose. But here's the truth: spending money is an art. It's not just about having it, it's about using it wisely, purposefully, with intent. We live in a world where everyone's in a rush to spend. Flashy cars, shiny watches, the latest gadgets. The noise of it all can drown out the voice of reason. But you've got to ask yourself, what am I really paying for? Am I buying value, or am I just chasing a fleeting moment of satisfaction? True spending isn't about showing off, it's about building something that lasts. Invest in your future, your dreams, your family. Invest in things that grow, that multiply, that enrich your life and the lives of others. You've got to think beyond today, because the choices you make with your money can echo for years to come. But don't get me wrong, it's not about hoarding either. Life is meant to be lived. Use your money to create experiences, to make memories, to help others. A meal shared with loved ones, a gift that brings a smile, a contribution that changes a life. These are priceless. And remember this: how you spend is a reflection of who you are. Are you chasing status, or are you chasing purpose? Are you feeding your ego, or are you feeding your soul? Every dollar, every cent is a vote for the world you want to live in. So be intentional. Be disciplined. Be generous. Learn the art of spending wisely, because when you do, money stops being just a currency and becomes a force for good. Spend with your heart and your head, and you'll find that wealth isn't about what you have, it's about what you do with it. Money is meant to serve you, not the other way around. It's a resource that enables you to live comfortably, achieve aspirations, and provide for loved ones. When money becomes the end goal, it loses its purpose, leading to endless chasing with no fulfillment. Instead, view it as a vehicle for growth, security, and joy. Use it strategically to enrich your life and create opportunities, not as a measure of self-worth. Understanding its purpose empowers you to make better financial decisions that align with your personal goals, ensuring money works for you, not against you. How you spend your money tells the world what matters most to you. Are you supporting your family, investing in your education, or donating to causes you care about? Or are you caught up in materialism and fleeting trends? Your financial choices reveal your priorities, consciously or not. Align your spending with the principles and goals that define you. When your money is directed toward meaningful pursuits, it creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By evaluating your purchases, you ensure that your finances are a true reflection of who you are and what you stand for. Planning is the foundation of smart spending. Without a roadmap, it's easy to overspend or waste money on things that don't matter. Start with a budget, outlining your income and expenses. Allocate funds for essentials like housing and food, savings, and discretionary spending. Planning allows you to prioritize needs over wants and prevents impulse purchases. It gives you control over your finances and ensures that every dollar has a purpose. A solid plan doesn't just help you spend wisely, it brings peace of mind, reduces stress, and helps you stay on track toward achieving your goals. Physical items may bring temporary joy, but experiences create memories that last a lifetime. A new gadget may lose its appeal in months, but a family vacation or a shared dinner with friends enriches your life in profound ways. Experiences often deepen relationships and broaden your perspective, offering intangible benefits that far outweigh their cost. Spending on moments rather than possessions allows you to live a fuller, more connected life. It's an investment in happiness and well-being, reminding you that the true value of money lies in the joy and meaning it can create. Needs and necessities like food, housing, and healthcare, while wants are the extras that bring comfort or pleasure. Recognizing this distinction is crucial for managing your finances. Prioritize your needs to ensure stability and security, and only indulge in wants if they align with your financial goals. By focusing on what's essential, you avoid unnecessary debt and make room for purposeful spending. This practice fosters financial discipline, reduces stress, and helps you build a foundation for long-term success. Understanding the difference empowers you to spend wisely and live within your means. A low price doesn't always mean good value. Cheap products may break quickly, costing more in the long run, while quality items often provide better performance and durability. Consider the utility, longevity, and overall impact of what you're buying, rather than focusing solely on price. Spending on value means you're making decisions based on long-term benefits, not just immediate savings. This mindset extends to services, relationships, and investments, ensuring that your money goes toward things that truly enhance your life. Choosing value over cost helps you make smart, sustainable financial choices. Short-term gratification often leads to poor financial decisions. Instead, consider how your spending today affects your future. Are you investing in education, savings, or assets that grow in value? Or are you indulging in temporary pleasures at the expense of financial stability? Long-term thinking ensures that your money serves a bigger purpose, whether it's building wealth, securing retirement, or achieving life goals. This perspective encourages patience, discipline, and intentionality in your spending. By focusing on the future, you create a financial legacy that benefits not just you but generations to come. Prioritize savings as a non-negotiable expense. When you set aside money for emergencies, retirement, or future goals, you're building a safety net and ensuring financial independence. Make saving a habit by automating contributions to a savings account before spending on anything else. This strategy helps you avoid the trap of spending everything you earn. Saving first fosters discipline and peace of mind, allowing you to handle unexpected challenges without stress. It also empowers you to pursue opportunities from travel to investments, knowing you've planned for the future. Lifestyle inflation happens when your expenses rise as your income increases. While it's tempting to upgrade your car, home, or lifestyle, this often leads to living paycheck to paycheck despite earning more. Resist this urge by maintaining a modest standard of living and directing extra income towards savings, investments, or debt repayment. By avoiding unnecessary upgrades, you gain financial freedom and flexibility. This practice ensures that your financial growth isn't squandered on fleeting pleasures, but instead builds a solid foundation for long-term stability and success. Sharing your wealth creates a positive ripple effect, benefiting both the giver and receiver. Whether through donations, volunteering, or helping someone in need, generosity strengthens communities and fosters connections. Giving back adds purpose to your financial success, reminding you that money is a tool for creating impact, not just personal gain. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, bring fulfillment and gratitude. They also inspire others to do the same, multiplying the good you create. Generosity transforms spending into a meaningful act that enriches lives beyond your own. Patience is a cornerstone of smart financial decision-making. Delaying gratification means resisting the urge to make impulsive purchases for short-term pleasure. Instead, you take the time to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with your goals and priorities. The more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to spend wisely and build wealth. This foundation not only enhances your financial security, but also boosts your confidence in navigating complex financial landscapes. Sometimes the pressure to spend comes from external influences, friends, family, or societal expectations. Learning to say no to expenses that don't align with your values or goals is a powerful skill. It helps you maintain financial discipline and avoid regret later. Saying no isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing what truly matters to you. Practice setting boundaries and being assertive about your financial decisions. By doing so, you protect your resources and focus on spending that brings genuine value to your life. Investing in quality ensures longevity, reliability, and better overall value. Cheap, poorly made items often cost more over time due to frequent replacements or repairs. High-quality purchases may require a larger upfront cost, but they save money and reduce waste in the long run. This principle applies to everything from clothing to electronics to food. Choosing quality over quantity also fosters a more intentional lifestyle, where you surround yourself with fewer but more meaningful possessions. It's a mindset that emphasizes durability, functionality, and satisfaction over fleeting abundance. Taking on debt for luxuries or non-essential items can lead to financial stress and limit future opportunities. While borrowing might seem convenient, it often comes with high interest rates and long-term obligations. Use credit responsibly, reserving it for investments that generate value, such as education, property, or business. If you can't afford something outright, consider waiting or saving up instead of going into debt. This practice keeps your finances stable, reduces stress, and allows you to use your resources for meaningful purposes rather than repaying unnecessary liabilities. Spending on your health is one of the best investments you can make. Whether it's nutritious food, exercise, medical care, or mental health support, these expenses enhance your quality of life and longevity. A healthy body and mind enable you to work, enjoy life, and pursue your goals without limitations. Neglecting health to save money often leads to higher costs in the future. Prioritizing wellness ensures you can fully enjoy the benefits of your financial success while minimizing potential setbacks caused by illness or stress. Focusing solely on the future can lead to a joyless existence, while living only for today can jeopardize long-term security. Striking a balance between saving and spending is key. Allocate funds for immediate enjoyment like hobbies, travel, or dining out while still setting aside money for future goals. This equilibrium allows you to live a fulfilling life without sacrificing financial stability. By practicing mindful spending, you ensure that both your present and future selves are taken care of, creating a harmonious relationship with money. Financial missteps are inevitable, but there are also opportunities for growth. Reflect on past spending habits to identify patterns or triggers that led to poor decisions. Use these insights to make adjustments and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Forgive yourself for errors and focus on building better habits moving forward. Learning from mistakes not only improves your financial health, but also strengthens your confidence in managing money. Each lesson brings you closer to mastering the art of spending wisely, ensuring a brighter financial future. Regularly monitoring your expenses provides clarity on where your money is going. This awareness helps you identify unnecessary expenditures and redirect funds toward your priorities. Use tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or journals to keep track of every purchase. Tracking your spending creates accountability and empowers you to make informed decisions. It also reveals patterns that may need adjustment, such as overspending in certain categories. By staying on top of your finances, you maintain control, avoid surprises, and ensure that your money serves your goals. Emotions like stress, boredom, or excitement can lead to impulsive purchases. Recognize these triggers and develop healthier coping mechanisms such as exercising, journaling, or talking to a friend. Mindful spending involves pausing before making a purchase to ask whether it's necessary or aligned with your goals. This practice reduces regret and fosters intentionality in your financial choices. By understanding the connection between emotions and spending, you gain greater control over your finances and avoid letting temporary feelings dictate long-term consequences. Financial decisions often impact those around you. Open communication about money fosters trust and ensures everyone is aligned on goals and responsibilities. Whether it's planning a family budget, saving for a shared goal, or discussing spending habits, collaboration creates a supportive environment. Sharing insights and perspectives can also lead to better financial decisions. By working together, you build a collective vision for the future, strengthen relationships, and create a unified approach to managing money effectively. A purchase's true cost isn't just its price, it includes time, effort, maintenance, and missed opportunities. For example, buying a cheap car may save money up front, but require frequent repairs, costing more over time. Consider all aspects of a decision before spending. This holistic view helps you evaluate whether an expense truly aligns with your needs and goals. Recognizing the true cost ensures you spend thoughtfully, maximizing the value and minimizing potential downsides. Minimalism promotes simplicity by focusing on what's truly important and eliminating excess. By spending less on unnecessary items, you free up resources for meaningful pursuits, like experiences, education, or helping others. Minimalism reduces clutter and stress, creating a sense of clarity and contentment. It encourages intentional living, where every purchase serves a purpose and enhances your life. Embracing this mindset allows you to prioritize quality, sustainability, and purpose over material abundance. Sharing your resources, whether through donations or acts of kindness, brings profound fulfillment. Giving enriches your life by creating a sense of connection and purpose. It shifts your focus from accumulation to contribution, reminding you that wealth is not just about personal gain. Acts of generosity inspire gratitude and spark positive change in others' lives. Giving transforms spending into a powerful tool for building communities, strengthening relationships, and leaving a legacy of impact.